Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see how to use the Sumifs function in Excel. So as you can see, I've already opened my database, the sample data, and here I want to use a Sumifs function. So the power is that basically what we can do with this function is to create a sum of a specific range of values based on a different criteria. So for example, if I start typing here in cell M3 my Sumifs function equal Sumifs. Now I open the parentheses. As you can see, the first element is the sum range. So in this case, for example, let's take the total. And now it's asking for the criteria range. The criteria range in this case, for example, let's say that I want to sum all the total that corresponds to the responsible Jones in this column. Okay, so in column G. So the criteria range, as you can imagine, is this column, the column of the responsible, so column C. And then the last element is the criteria. So which is the criteria that we are using in this case? The criteria is to have the name of the responsible as Jones. So let's just put as text, otherwise it's not recognized by Excel, Jones, and we close the parentheses. We close the parentheses, and as you can see, I have a total here that is over 2000, and if we want to check it, we can just filter here in the column of the responsible for Jones. Okay, now we have just this total. Let's wait a bit that my Excel is taking some time, but basically the idea is that this column, the total, the sum should be equal, and in fact it is, to the 2000 that we have sum up with the function. So you can now understand the power of this function, because we can create different kind of criteria and sum a specific range of values based on these different criteria. And in this case I just created one criteria, but you can of course add other criteria in your function and make it very powerful. I hope that this video was useful for you, and thanks a lot for your attention.